It's wet outside. It's wet outside. You can't even see, like, the end of the road. Like, you can't see 300 feet in front of you. Let's go look out at this window. Look at that. That's like snowstorm. My Christmas lights are still up on January 20th. Whatever day it is.
It looks like snow.
I know, that's what I just said.
Snow. Or ice. Hey, it is ice. Melted ice.
Actually, Aunt Susie said there's supposed to be hail. So it probably is ice. Ryan.
Yeah.
We need like a skimboard or something. Look at that trail going down that.
I know.
The end of the road, or the end, right there it goes.
I hope Mom's not driving.
Megan's about to have to drive to Eagles View.
Why?
Pick up a brother. Let's go look out of the
Hey, what's that light down there?
Huh?
What's that light down there?
I have no clue. There's a light.
It just came on. Scout sniper, scout sniper!
It's not a sniper. Maybe it's a house? Or a fire?
I don't think there would be a fire right now.
Why? What could be inside? I don't know where the lights on that house are down there. Ready. Let's look out. Ah, dang.
My internet really just cut out.
Well, this is a nice video.